Hey, what is up, guys? Have you ever wanted to achieve that overhead look? Like people you see in a lot of cooking videos and a lot of small electronic videos where you got the camera like right overhead, but you ain't got the right gear, or you just using your cell phone camera, right? Well, check it out. I got the right thing for you with just a couple of PVC pipes. Let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to build yourself one. All right. Now these are all the pieces you're gonna need here. A few T's, and you'll see some of the pieces you may be able to use like an elbow, but for the most part, I'm gonna use a T because they're interchangeable. So I'm gonna go ahead by starting to assemble this right now. I'm gonna take a T. I call this like a leg, and I have all the measurements in the description. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start assembling this right now. And as you can see here, this is going to be like the base or the legs per se. Now we're going to go ahead and go up. Now here is where you can actually make yours higher or a little bit lower by using an extra piece like here. This here will be a 15-inch piece, or you can use just a 6-inch piece. Yeah, depending on how you want it from whatever you're trying to record. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and just use the 15-inch piece. We're not going to add the 6 inches on to there. We're going to go ahead and add that right there. And then our camera mount. And as simple as that. And whatever you want to record, as simple as this right here. And snap your phone in.